Hey, welcome to another one of our videos. Tammy's here with us today, and she's gonna, she's gonna make me do stuff, but this is her recipe. What are you making?
I'm gonna make Mexican street corn.
And it's your version, right?
Yeah.
It's a little different than traditional, or
right.
not?
It's very different.
Okay. So, here's the weird thing about this video. I like my corn on the cob.
And I don't.
So, we've got 4 ears of corn. We're gonna, keep 2 of them on the cob, and then when it's all said and done, you're gonna take it off the cob? Is that
I have
what you're
to cut
doing?
it off, yeah.
Because you can't eat on the cob?
I don't like it in my teeth.
Okay. All right. Stay with us.
So I'm going to make my version of Mexican street corn. I'm not a big mayonnaise fan, so I'm going to use less mayonnaise. So this is maybe 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And all of the amounts are going to be at the bottom. So you'll have all the exact amounts, okay? So I'm not going to give you all of them. This is sour cream. And I like sour cream, so we use more of that. I like things spicy. So this is sriracha. I think you probably saw in the other videos, I like things really spicy, so I'm going to put a lot of sriracha in there. So this is part lemon and part lime. Put that in there. So this is cilantro, and it's a paste because we didn't have it fresh. So we're going to use some paste. It kind of looks like baby poop, but a little bit of smoked paprika, another spice, and this one is called Heaven Made Products, and this is the amazing Mexi-Cajun. We're going to put maybe about 2 tablespoons in there, or maybe a little bit more. We're going to mix it all up. And Jeff is doing the corn, so I don't have to do that part.
So it's today's sous chef. I got this grill set on 350 degrees. I'm using the Gourmet Guru. You can use your gas grill, right? If you can crank your smoker up to 350, you can use it. We're going to just put this down and let her go for a while.
About 5 or 6 minutes. I cut my corn off the cob. Jeff's going to eat his on the cob.
I'm going to have a little salt on my corn. I can't eat corn without salt, okay?
He doesn't trust me that it's going to be good without salt.
It's going to be good, but I have to have salt on corn.
Yeah, he doesn't trust me.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay.
Ooh, it's very yummable.
It's really good.
Mmm. Okay.
It's kind of spicy.
It's kind of creamy.
Mm-hmm.
What's that from?
That's from the sour cream and the mayo.
Mmm. I get some. Oopsie. I get some spice.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. I get the cheese.
Yep, there's cheese. It's Mexican cheese.
How come you've been holding out on me? This is like really good.
Because then you'd make me cook more, and I don't really want to because you do a good job on your own.
Okay, so I want everybody to leave a comment below. Would you like to see Tammy cook more?
Say no.
No. I'm just to be honest. This is really good corn.
Look, it's all in his teeth.
Thank you. You did quite well. This is very good. She's going to make fun of me, so we have to wrap this up. Hey, thanks for watching another one of our videos. We really appreciate all the support. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. You'll be notified of all of our new icons when Tammy makes us some more stuff, right?
Or when Jeff makes more stuff.
No, tell them about the chicken thing you're going to make.
I'm going to make a chicken thing. Oh, I'm going to make a chicken thing. It's going to be really good. It's stuffed chicken. It's going to have a sausage in it. It's going to be really delicious. I'm excited about the chicken thing.
Have a great day.